Welcome to the world of statistics, where we often find ourselves obsessed with averages. We talk about the mean income, the median house price, but there is one measure of central tendency that is often brushed aside as too simple: the mode. Is the mode actually the most underrated statistic? Let's find out. At its core, the mode is the value that appears most frequently in a dataset. Unlike the mean, which sums everyone up and divides them, or the median, which finds the middle person in a line, the mode looks for the crowd favorite. In a world of continuous numbers, it represents the peak of probability, the most likely outcome you'll encounter. Section 1. The hero of categorical data. This is where the mode shines where others fail. Imagine you are a product manager at a tech company like Apple or Google. You want to know which phone color is the most popular. You can't average space gray and midnight green. You can't find the middle color. Here, the mode is the only statistic that makes sense. It identifies the modal category, which is essential for inventory management and marketing. Section 2. Multimodal distributions and the truth of diversity. Most introductory courses show a perfect bell curve, where the mean, median, and mode are the same. But reality is messy. Many datasets are bimodal, meaning they have two peaks. Think of human height if you combine biological males and females, or peak traffic hours at 8 a.m. and 5 p.m. If you only look at the mean, you'll see a ghost average in the middle that doesn't actually exist in reality. The mode reveals these hidden structures. Section 3. Resistance to outliers. The mean is notoriously fragile. If Elon Musk walks into a bar, the average person in that bar becomes a billionaire. The median stays stable, but it doesn't tell you what the most common experience is. The mode, however, is completely unaffected by extreme outliers. It tells you what is typical for the majority, providing a grounded perspective that prevents data from being skewed by the 1%. Section 4. The mode in modern technology. In the realm of machine learning and artificial intelligence, the mode is everywhere. In classification tasks, like a self-driving car identifying a stop sign versus a speed limit sign, the model outputs probabilities for each. The final decision is essentially the mode of the probability distribution, the category with the highest confidence. Without the mode, AI couldn't make definitive choices. Section 5. Business and logistics. Retailers like Amazon or Zara rely on modal analysis to optimize their supply chains. If the mode of shirt sizes sold is medium, that's what they stock the most. Using the mean size would result in a size that fits no one perfectly. In logistics, the mode represents the most frequent delivery time, allowing companies to set realistic expectations for millions of customers. In conclusion, while the mean and median are powerful for calculations and ranking, the mode is the statistic of the people. It captures the most frequent reality, handles non-numerical data with ease, and reveals the true shape of our complex world. Perhaps it's time we stop calling it simple and start calling it essential. Thank you for exploring the power of the mode.